This is a 2006 Lincoln Zephyr. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 3.0-liter V6. Features include cooled seats, a navigation system, aluminum wheels, a 6-speaker audio system, leather seats, a security system, privacy glass, traction control, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button. And this vehicle has less than 73,000 miles. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Ray Seraphin Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 100 Windsor Avenue in Rockville.